Expert system and AI. In the rapidly evolving world of technology, the integration of expert systems and artificial intelligence, AI, stands out as a transformative force. Imagine a digital brain that mimics human decision-making capabilities, providing tailored solutions across various domains. This intersection of knowledge and algorithm enhances our ability to solve complex problems efficiently, proving invaluable in sectors such as healthcare, finance, and engineering. At the heart of expert systems lies a wealth of specialized knowledge, coded by human experts into a system that can reason and draw conclusions. Picture a team of seasoned professionals pouring their insights into a machine, empowering it with the ability to analyze vast amounts of data and provide recommendations that rival those of human experts. This technology sifts through mountains of information at lightning speed, recognizing patterns and trends that might elude even the most astute human analyst, thereby streamlining decision-making processes. Artificial intelligence further amplifies the capabilities of expert systems by introducing machine learning and natural language processing. Envision a system that learns from each interaction, continuously improving its understanding and responses. This dynamic feedback loop allows the AI to adapt to new scenarios, becoming more proficient over time. For instance, in healthcare, AI-driven expert systems can analyze symptoms and medical histories to suggest potential diagnoses or treatment plans, assisting doctors while enhancing patient care. However, the integration of expert systems and AI is not without challenges. Ethical considerations around bias in AI algorithms pose significant concerns, as flawed data can lead the systems to misdiagnose or misinform. Picture a scenario where a patient is given an incorrect treatment recommendation based on an algorithm trained on biased data, highlighting the urgent need for transparent and accountable AI practices. As we venture into a future intertwined with intelligent technology, the potential applications of expert systems and AI are limitless. From personalized learning experiences in education to real-time fraud detection in finance, these tools are revolutionizing industries and creating unprecedented efficiencies. The key lies in harnessing this technology responsibly, ensuring that human oversight remains integral to safeguarding quality and ethical standards. The synergy of expert systems and AI heralds a new frontier in innovation, inviting us to explore the depths of human ingenuity intertwined with machine-driven intelligence. As these systems continue to evolve, they promise to redefine our approach to problem-solving and decision-making, paving the way for a smarter, more responsive world.